Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you all. So today in this video, as you guys have already read from the title, it's gonna be a vlog or a travel vlog more precisely, because me and my family, my brother, mother and father, we're all going to Bombay. Now the basic purpose of this trip is for me to give this exam thing, so it's gonna be super duper fun and I'm really excited to go. And I have my exam today itself. Right now I don't know what time it is. I don't know, it's probably like 7:45 or something. So my exam starts at 2 o'clock, so I still have like a lot of time. So from Pune to Bombay, I think it's about a 2-hour road trip, so we're gonna have enough time. So we're gonna go to the hotel, freshen up, and then I'm gonna go and give my exam, and it'll get over at, I don't know, around 4 o'clock. So after that we're gonna be free to do whatever we want. So let's see what we do, and yep, let's go. Here's my brother and here's my Coco.
So right now we are on Mumbai-Pune Expressway.
So yeah guys, that is the plan for today. So I guess we're gonna reach in about 2 hours now. I think it's been an hour since we've been in the car, and then we're gonna meet you guys directly when we reach there. So yeah. This is my brother and this is our food, and yeah, this is that. So
It is what it is.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you.
hey guys, so now we are here at the hotel. We're staying at this one called Four Seasons, and now we are heading towards the hotel room. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are over here in the hotel. We've just like reached right now, and now we are gonna head into our rooms. Side ho jao, side ho jao.
ये पकड़ लीजिए पापा पकड़ लीजिए.
Hey guys, so we are on the 24th floor right now. Alright, so before we make this entire room messy, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little room tour. So first of all, here's the bathroom, and oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm not sure what the view behind that is. I'm just gonna check. Over here we have I don't know, what is this? We have these like coffee cups and stuff, glasses, all the utensils and stuff.
Monster, would you like a drink?
I don't know if you guys are able to, realize how high up it is, but it's really high. I mean, you can literally see the city. Here we have the TV, which I'm pretty sure we're not gonna use. Here is the bed.
Cannonball.
And Lux.
Monsieur.
We have this little seating area. Here we have a pillar, I don't know. And again, here we have a big window. What? And also there's a Wi-Fi. So yeah, oh my god, I forgot that part. There's this like huge mirror over here. It looks so super duper cute.
So we are going out right now. I guess we're going to Colaba. Actually, we haven't had lunch yet, so like we're gonna pick up my sister and then we're gonna go have lunch. And my parents are already waiting for me downstairs, so I just have to join them. Oh, lift is here. Yup. This key card system is so frustrating. Our room is like, we have 2 rooms here, and we like our rooms are on around 24th floor. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I am back after giving my exam and it was like not really long, just 1.5 hours, and now I am back and I'm done with it. And now the rest of the time we're just gonna go and enjoy here and there. So right now we are going to this place called Colaba and it is like 4 o'clock right now and we have not had anything since morning except for like 2 sandwiches. So yeah, we're all really hungry, so we're just gonna go and have something. And yeah, hey guys, so we are right now at this place called Antilla, which is Mukesh Ambani's house. And yeah, so guys, we're having this shawarma right here right now. Hey guys, so over here we have what is it called? So this is the gateway of India and right here is the sea.
One crown took over.
Hey guys, and right now we are here at Marine Drive in Bombay and this is what it looks like. The skyline is like so pretty.
So guys, we are at Marine Drive now and like look at the sunset. So मैं मुंबई में पहले भी रह चुका हूँ. Like in 2008 my father was posted here.
So we've already like lived here for like, I don't know, for about 1.5 years because my dad was posted here. So yeah, it's fun to be back again. Actually, we have been back like many times in between, but every time we come here it's like really amazing.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
Hey guys, so our day just ended and we're back at the hotel and we are in the parking lot right now, so we're gonna go back to our room
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, good morning, what's up? So it is the next day and we are still at the hotel and it's the morning time, so we are gonna go and head down and have our dinner right now. We're already kind of late, but I think we just have enough time to make it, so yeah, let's go. Now if you guys are not able to see beyond that building, actually there is the sea over there. It's kind of foggy, it's not even visible like this, and I'm pretty sure it's not visible in the camera, but it's the sea after that. And here we have our room and here we have Laksh.
I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you.
Hey guys, so we are in the lobby area where we have breakfast, but the thing is that due to this corona thing, that buffet system isn't there anymore. Basically you have to sit in a place and order. So we had this like little card with this QR code in here, so we had to scan this in order to get the menu and then we had to order right from here. We couldn't go and see what was there in the buffet because buffet is no longer there. So it is kind of new and I was like really hoping to see buffet, but yeah, fine. I mean, it's not their fault, so oh my god guys, I just realized what this man was eating this entire time. What were you eating?
Pork sausage.
Hey guys, so now we are heading out. We are done with our stay and now we are leaving. Hey guys, so that is it. We are back at our house and that was it for our Mumbai trip, which was cut short because of some reasons, but we are finally back home and now I'm just gonna end this vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.